to part 7. I am starting this vlog a little different, this video. As you can see, we've got the van here, and as it's Ben's 21st, I've surprised him at this little tiny home. I'll give you a little tour. So I have surprised and driven Ben to St Albans, New South Wales, and we're staying in this cute little tiny house tonight. So basically, as you walk in, we've got the little kitchen area and a bathroom which has a toilet and a shower, and here we've just got a little day bed, a couch, and as you walk up the stairs here, it's got a little loft bedroom. We are back now from our tiny home. It's been like a week, hasn't it? Or more, week and a half now. Anyway, we're painting the kitchen today with the top coat.
My darling, I told you I'm not a perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again.
So Ben has made the 3 cabinet doors to go in our kitchen, and we're just painting them now.
Stars are falling to your head, stars are falling to your lips, soul to soul and hand by hand. We are jumping from that cliff, we are flying like the wind. It was only crazy dream. You whisper you love me in my...
Hi, so we are currently on our way to Byron Bay. Woo! We parked the van in Crescent Head last night, just did a quick stopover, and now we're doing the rest of the drive and we're on our way to the lighthouse.
We are moths on the moon.
So we've made it to Byron Bay, and today we spent the day, we went around the lighthouse, went to Watergoes Beach, had a lovely time there, and then we've just gotten back from, where did we come from? Oh my god, we're cooking dinner. Stone & Wood Brewery.
Yeah.
And right now we're just making some bolognese in the campsite we're staying in Byron, and we're going to eat it on the beach. While dinner is cooking, I thought I'd give you a little update on what we have put in the van so far from where we last left off. So Ben has made all the cabinets and he's finished them off for our pantry. They look amazing. Stunning. Wow. So good. What else? Oh yes, so we needed a place. We do need a bigger pan. We're struggling a little there.
Still got meat and sauce.
Oh my god, maybe we should wait for that one. Anyway, I wanted to show you. So Ben made this box because we needed somewhere to put our shoes. So basically we can store it all up with all of our shoes, and it can also be a seat. I still got to make a cushion for it to match those ones. But yeah, just another little extra seat that we have in the van. We got a fan. Sorry, the bed's really messy. Got a fan, a third one. We also got another battery in there. There she is. So we've got extra power, and the floor. How good does it look?
Flooring is a laminate flooring.
So they basically just clip together.
They'll clip together, and you hide the edges with the trim. So the aluminium and the trim around the cabinet.
Yeah.
So you hide the gap.
morning, day 2 in Byron, and this morning we're off to a little place in Byron called The Farm. So we're at a macadamia nut field and I found some, and basically the nut openers aren't working, so I'm just going to use this rock.
First train on the plane, we were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road, into the unknown.